Welcome back, Spanish 23, Part C. We're going to finish up here on our review, and then we have one more week of review like this. You should be reviewing now these last 2 weeks. It's very important to review outside of this, unless you got these down. And I don't know if you're using flashcards, but if you have the sheet, well, you have the sheets of paper with the list on there. You may want to mark those. The ones you really don't know at all should mark with a certain color. And those that you kind of maybe halfway know, mark with a certain color. And those that you got down cold, mark with a different color. And then you can quickly go through those a lot easier. That's a wise way to do it. Okay, here we go. This one, you don't know, do you? Every time you don't know it.
Entonces?
Whoa, yes, entonces. She got it. Bravo.
Wow.
Yeah, that's impressive.
I'm impressed.
I cheated.
Did you just look at it? Okay, well, I'm not that impressed anymore.
Saber.
Saber, what does it mean?
To know.
To know. Facts. Let's conjugate it.
Sabo.
No. Say. S-E.
Oh, say.
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 Sabes.
Sabes.
Sabe.
Sabemos.
Sabe.
Sabe.
So the only oddball is
Say.
say. So on that verb list you have, I try to put in blue or whatever color it is, the ones that just don't follow our rules. Let's do the rules real quick. Here they are. At least some of them. We'll get them. So AR, verb endings, are going to typically go
O.
as,
As. Almost. On.
Okay. That's just, for most of them, that's the way it's going to be if it's an AR verb, unless it's a unique one. So just know that down, and you'll be getting a lot of them right. ER and IR are almost the same, so let's just do it, the IR here.
O.
Ace,
A.
Emos, but ER would be with an E, Amos, aim. Got it.
And so it's I and you informal, and then he, she,
It, you.
it, and you formal.
Yeah. And we'll learn more when you use it. I just want you to know formal, informal now. We'll learn what's appropriate if you know the person, if they're older than you, all these things that I don't even know.
And we and they.
We and they, right.
Okay. Ahora. Now.
Ooh, I didn't know this one. Desde.
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 También.
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 Sister human only.
Boy.
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 Very good. Everybody. Just had this one.
Say.
Say.
I have to. I have to. No, I
the other
do.
one.
I do or may.
I do.
I do.
Hago. Is that from hacer? Okay. I get haber. We don't have to know haber anymore, at least for now. Though it is on the list of verbs that are common.
But if they don't use them.
Yeah, if they don't use it, then I guess we're not going to. So to have to is tener. To have, possession is tener. Okay, so just combine them all together. Because the way it's said in the book, to have to is haber.
So I must.
I see.
I must what? Oh, this one?
I have to is, it would be like I must, so there isn't, so, but,
I have to do it. Tengo que hacerlo.
okay, so it's just the same.
Same thing, yeah.
I have to do it. Hacerlo is it? Okay.
I see.
I see, it's correct, Leo. What are you doing?
Stretching.
Okay, I thought you were like, okay, it's a little bit odd, that's all. But you can stretch.
Oh, there.
Yeah, it's a weird thing.
Down.
To be able to or can?
I can,
Okay, this is conjugated. Puedo, puedes, I'll just help you. Puede, podemos, pueden. It follows the normal way. On the we, you're not gonna have that extra. Sometimes you're gonna be spelled a little different, in a different syllable. I can't say that well, so.
Decir.
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 To tell, to say.
I say.
Let's
Or to
conjugate
say.
that. Let's just do I say. We have that
Digo.
already. Digo. Dices, dice.
Dices.
Decimos,
Dice.
dice. To go. Voy, vas, va, vamos, van. To go is, the root verb
Ir.
is
Ir.
ir.
Eres is
You.
You,
you
familiar?
are.
On the essence type, not conditional, right?
Tingo, I have.
I have. Couple minutes, we're almost done.
Dar.
What's I
To
give?
give.
I give.
Doi.
Doi. Okay. The others you should know. We have a lot of these verbs here. Ver is to see. What's I see?
Deo.
Veil. No. To do. You said that. The verb is, or to make, is
Hacer.
hacer. What's I do?
Hago.
Hago. Oh, that's the one we're not going to do. All right. A little bit.
Poco.
Poco.
Poquito.
And poquito. Both are correct. Unbelievable, this is all the world end or something? This is really true. Did it backwards, but Estados Unidos,
Estados Unidos, United
United
States.
States.
Policía.
Policia.
Policía. Policia.
If they want to say policia, they're going to go, what's that? I don't know what you want, sir, ma'am. Policia.
Policía.
Or just say police. They might understand that.
Bueno.
Yeah.
Luego. Until?
Hasta is until.
Oh, later. Later.
Then. New one. Here's some new ones.
Mayor.
Both of the
Mayor.
new ones.
Better?
Mayor, and he didn't agree with this, but bigger, older.
Oh.
Just know that. We'll work these out. In fact, I may have you go through these after we get done with them all. Or I'll hand you the sheet that has them all. And you find things that just doesn't seem right to you. Like the other one. We'll see if there's other ones. Maybe this one is one. But just for now, since they memorize it this way, I want them to know it, and then we'll have them change it.
Later. Right.
Better? Mejor.
Mejor.
Mayor is bigger, older. Mayor is that. Mejor is better.
All depends, that word is all depends what are you trying to say. Because,
We'll learn about that
Mhm.
when you use it. Yeah, because right now it's good to say all that, but they're just trying to memorize the word right now, and then we'll learn how to use it. That's going to be the next stage here. Okay. Clothes.
Ropa.
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 There's that little thing. It's telling me we're almost done. I got 1 minute left.
Nunca.
Never.
Never. Okay. Mismo, same. Oh, here's a newer one. Straight is
Derecho.
almost. Casi.
Casi.
Casi. Such as
Tom?
tall. Very close.
Tall.
Besides, these are newer ones. Oh, we don't know. Además. Or is that además?
Además.
Además. Okay, that could be it. And in conclusion, to fry your brain, let's say the days of the week, starting with Sunday through Saturday, slowly. Sorry. Okay?
Domingo.
Lunes,
Lunes.
martes, slow down, miércoles, jueves,
Jueves.
viernes,
Viernes.
sábado.
Sábado.
Say yesterday in Spanish.
Ayer.
Say tomorrow.
Mañana.
Let's count to 10 from 0.
Cero. uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez.
Let's go 11 to 20. Slower.
once, doce, trece, catorce, quince, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20. Alright, so next week we'll do it and you'll have a wonderful time taking the test the week after and you'll hug me, but you'll hug each other and you'll hug me.